Welcome back, viewers and subscribers. You don't know it's the trendy dance all back at it again. So subscribe if you're new, and we are going to talk about what the description of this bio says. Okay, so subscribe and let's get into it. Hey, yo, my viewers and subscribers, you can't say me no sound like a Trinidad a while ago. Yeah, man, we need a subscribe for that one day. So watch a prayer. Intence sets on dropping a one new hairstyle, you see it? We call it the extendos, you see me? So it's an extension the dog dropping, as you can see, you see me? Me, you see me have all of the picture of them. Every single one of them since him get the extendos, you see me? And me I show you all of them, so stick around in the video, peeps. And watch a prayer, no? I see one bag of people are comment and make comment, bad comments and shit. But the dog done say what him for say already. You see it? The dog say, yo, here I go on. At that time, you look your sight. And if you not like that, go suck your mother straight. Yeah, man, young badness, that's how the thing come down. And go up to. You see me? So what you know, the hairstyle, from my perspective, it kind of, let's say, I know something where people used to him with. You see me? So that's why. While you have to please yourself, people. You see me? Work with all your feelings. You see me? Because I'm not going to tell him, say, yo, you did better off the way you look. You see me? More while I want life we live. If we feel like do this, we do that. If we feel like do that, we not comply to one. We not live one way. You get me? Freestyle the thing till we breath leave our body. You see me? But as long as we not go the wrong way, you get me? But we are try off a new stuff. I saw the thing go. You see me? But here me I say, me would burn out the dog. Why? Because extension or something what me say. One artist in the dance hall do from morning that a Vibes Cartel. You see me? Vibes Cartel are the first person I see do that. I'm gonna see them burn him out. Even though them would get burn out on certain things, I'm gonna see certain people burn him out like him forget the burn out. Plus I see Alkaline go do it and them want burn out him. You see me? That don't make no sense. You see me? And now this a dog come do it and them want burn him out. You see me? That's why I can't treat like people. You do things to please yourself. You see me? Most of the people them with them bad opinion, them check them pocket, them they even have a 20, you see it? The dog drop in some wave, him can take it out whenever I'm ready, you see me? So, no big deal out of that, you see me? No 18 shits, yo, like, what the fuck? But anyways, yo, people, you see me? You see Intence now, him know what him a do, you see me? And me now go burn him out, so, alright. Alright, people, so next up we're going to talk about Gage, you see me? You must see, say, try keep himself relevant in our media shits. I hardly see him post song nowadays. He mostly do live chattings and shit. I wonder if him turn host or something. But anyways, yo, the dog make a post on Instagram mostly yesterday and say, yo, I show you by the way and read it same time. You see me, the dog say, yo, 4 million of money, what me can buy with 4? We buy with that now, you see me? So me start looking at myself now and me I say, yo, away my meds. Now when I come to the public and I say 4 mil, you see me? Even if you ask if that enough money charge, you keep that to yourself, you see me? So fame funds them, say, yo, save your money, invest your money, them look a good thing there. You see me? Nobody try look relevant Gage dog. But doubt it, you have 4 million, you just said that, you see it? Straight up, the trendy dancer, say so. Wouldn't know me already, people, so what I do? But just go bust one research though. And when I check it out in Believe I make 3 mil for the year, you see it off of YouTube. So imagine the rest of platform, them, you see me? But anyways, it no matter where you want to get the money there, it not really matter to me. But try make yourself look good, you see me? When you look good, the people them would make you look good, you see it? You don't even have to try. That me I tell you see it? Yeah, dog, so Gage the run one part, you know, suffer dog. Just go and work on your thing, you see it? Me understand say enough people now want to give you some bad rhythm for mash up and thing, you see me? Yeah man, go and do your thing, dog, you see it? Know yourself, man. One day your thing I go pay off you right and proper way, you see it? Man. Alright viewers, so me here say the Bounty Foundation are going good. You see me? So them donate some housing material and over almost 200 and something thousand. Or 200 grand to this female, lovely female here. Even though me I go have a video, so me I go play the video then at the end. You see it, so you can watch it and see what I go on, you see it. But differently still, me love the whole operation where I take place. We need more actions like this.
Our contributor, he's the one who gives us the material. But she overwhelmed. You have to see with that, sir. Because people don't really get
Tell us about this place now. Tell us about it. This your bedroom going to be.
Yeah, the structure.
Which one is
the bedroom?
This is the bedroom.
And is it in your bathroom?
And what's over here?
Okay.
Like, look
No, auntie, I don't live in the park.
oh,
over
fear
there.
of that. This is your side.
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
Yeah, man, you can, no problem. Go for your note. She says she write that note to tell in this country. Bounty Foundation is young, we just started. We can't take on everything, but this is one of the things we plan to take on right now. Ashley and I look one room, and this is the room, and this is Ashley. Come, let me just see Ashley. Yeah, so we decide we're gonna give her 100,000 Jamaican dollars. There you go, Ashley. Come hold up here with pride, mama. So on behalf of the Bounty Foundation and the Belgravia Development and Innovative Home and Miss Camille Lee, who is unfortunately overseas. You know, you spoke to Camille. Well, this is just our little gratitude. We are offering you further beautiful room, and we wish you all the best in your endeavor, and just keep thriving in this hard time. Just keep your head up. Yeah, you can read it.
I would love to express my deep gratitude to the donors of this tremendous support. I just want to say a big thank you. I am honored and grateful. However, I would like to thank the Bounty Foundation, Mr. Clifton, and the Belgravia Foundation, and last but not least, Miss Camille Lee. A couple weeks ago, I called Miss Lee telling her what I was organizing to do and my expectations. I called her asking if she could purchase a door for the room I'm working on. Little did I know God had her plans for me. I'm still in denial to see all this happening right before my eyes, just like that, but I can say I am thankful and I value and appreciate the time and effort spent to get things in order for me. May God bless us all.
You're welcome.
Man, people, you know the style of them, something they want to see about Jamaica, about the place. Yeah. So at the end of the video, please do like, subscribe, and share. Thank you.